Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to order products directly at South Korea. Kasi 'di ba may mga products pa tayo that are not yet available in the Philippines. Pero we cannot order Atomy products that's in Korea website that's already in the Philippines. For example, Hemuhim, it's already in the Philippines, so we cannot order that at Korea. So only the products that are not yet available in Philippine website, either Philippine website or at Gmall natin. We cannot do that. Kasi if we try it, mag-fail po yung order. So this time, I'll be doing a demo on how to order at this Korea website. So I'm logging in with a members account. So this is Atomy Shopping Mall. Just click it. And then, so this is Hemuhim, Gongal. This is health products, beauty products, hair and body products, living products, Shikpum, maybe house or whatever, and fashion and home deco. So, fashion and home decor, and then Kujijube, may etc. Maybe like that. And so, mamimili na po ako ng mga products. So, let's go to ano muna, home toner. So, under siya ng beauty. And then, so hindi siya naka-translate into Tagalog. Different siya pag yung cellphone yung gagamitin mo. Pero, okay lang yun. Kasi may picture naman. Makikita naman natin yung itsura, di ba? So, next. Ay, this one. Atomy Home Toner. Ayan. So, one piece of this, add to cart. Tapos, Absolute Atomy Home Multi-Action Cleaner. So, okay. I'm ready to finish this order. So, all in all, I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 items. So, let's go now to Kogi Jongbu. Kogi Jongbu and Besonggongbu. So, I think this one is the customer information and the address, the delivery address. So, let's go first to customer information. So, lalagay ko po dito yung contact number ng courier. Okay. And then, I think this one is sender name. So let me put her name. Okay, let's go now to this one is should be in Korean language, I think. So I'm typing here. I'm opening English to Korean translator. We need to check this one. And then this one. Three eight four eight. We have to put in the address in Korea. So this area also should be in Korean. So you can select the zip code. So this is right. And this part you need to put on the exact address. This is like a memo. Just have to put there the exact address. No, we don't need this time. We don't need that one. If you don't know what's that, you can use Google Translate. No, we don't need that area. And then let's proceed to this part. Did we miss something? Think we don't need something. And we have to click this one. E. Then this one. MasterCard. Ebimasuta. Very difficult. And then this one, daum. Next. Okay. We're now here at the payment card number. Then month and year. Okay, so we're done, guys. This is our order number. And yeah, these are the products that we ordered from Korea website. Okay. So guys, so we will be waiting for around 3 weeks or 1 month for our products to be delivered here in the Philippines because Atomy Korea will ship this item first to the Korea shipping address we put. Diba? So, kanina nakita niyo po kanina yung courier na nilagay ko. So, i-deliver nila doon. Tapos, yung courier, kukontakin kami dito na nandun na yung items. Tapos, i-ship na nila dito. So, once ma-receive namin yung products dito, saka pa lang namin malalaman kung magkano yung shipping fee. So, yung items na yun din, pag dumating sa Pilipinas, kami mismo yung kukuha dun sa office ng courier. So, ayun, sana may natutunan kayo for today. So, estimated delivery time is 4 weeks. Pero last time, yung umorder kami, 4 weeks din yun. Pero yung shipping fee namin from Korea to Philippines is around 400 pesos. Mga around 2 kilos lang yung na-order namin. So this time, we don't know kung magkano yung babayaran namin sa shipping fee. Pero since tatlo kami may-ari itong mga orders na to, paghahati-hatian namin to into 3. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you learned something from me today. So if you wanna try to order products from Korea website from here in the to here in the Philippines, you can try and yun, subaybayan niyo lang po yung ginawa ko. But if you want me to order for you, you can also comment down below and or message me sa messenger ko, Chelly Aja, and I will help you with that. So, God bless, bye-bye, and Aja, Aja, Aja.